Hi guys, I hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before you are watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you are installing Windows 11 to your computer give us a message that you cannot install Windows 11 to your computer. To solve this problem, we have to make two changes and BIOS setting. To make these changes, we are pressing power button. After pressing the power button, we are going to BIOS setting. We are pressing F2. This is BIOS setting, and BIOS setting we are going to boot sequence. This is boot sequence, and boot sequence we have uh, two options. The first one is legacy, another one is UEFI. That means we have two types of BIOS setting. The first one is BIOS, another one is UEFI modes. To install Windows 11, you have to select UEFI. After that, you select UEFI, only click Apply. After that, go to Security. I'm going to Security, click this one. Go to TPM setting. By default, TPM setting is off. To on the TPM setting, only check this button. When you check, then click Apply. When you click Apply, the TPM setting is on. Now exit the BIOS setting. You can install Windows 11 to your computer. Thank you guys for watching my videos.